May I know? Sahil Sharma, Raman Kumar, kind journal, monthly journal in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. We are highly obliged that you have taken out time from your busy schedule to attend this function with your august presence on this short notice. Without further ado, I'll be giving a very brief introduction about this journal. We are delighted to announce the release of this inaugural issue, which will be inaugurated by Lord Chief Justice, Honorable Justices of our own High Court and learned Advocate General. As the first monthly publication of its kind in the Union Territories of J&K and Ladakh, skill building content, we aim to empower the legal community with a comprehensive resource that informs, educates, and inspires. A comprehensive platform dedicated to providing a focal point for legal discourse within the region. Our journal is committed to curating and disseminating valuable content, including case laws of Jammu and Kashmir, local laws, legal news, both of center as well as union territory, insightful articles, and highlights from the Honorable Supreme Court. Through our curated section of monthly Supreme Court highlights, readers can gain insight into landmark judgments, legal trends, and implications for Jammu and Kashmir's legal landscape. A special and unique chapter, especially for the young lawyers, titled Band and Rope, has also been added in the journal, dedicated to enhancing legal skills and professional development among legal practitioners.
Senior designated lawyers, members from the subordinate judiciary, my worthy colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. Most of you must be aware for a long time I too have been engaged in this publication process, and therefore for me this is an occasion to congratulate and wish the best to Shri Kamal Taneja, Mr. Chopra and their colleagues, and we hope the new journal which they are trying to publish will cater the day-to-day needs of the young lawyers. I am not to say much, but I just like to share two things. You have highlighted, I was just listening, the salient features of your large journal. But one thing I like to suggest, always try to have a comparative table in some part of the journal so that the lawyers feel convenience in comparing the equivalent citations. Please take out some time in mentioning the overruled judgments, dissented judgments, and judgment followed. Please have the highlights which are the burning topics in the field of law, and try to see that the people are the lawyers from Bani, Bilawar, Tandar, and many more far-flung areas, they may not be more interested to know about the Constitution, judgment, or other things. Their concern is CPC, CRPC, evidence, and their own day-to-day development so that they can render the best. So my suggestion would be balance the journal in such a way that each and every segment of the legal profession gets the real feedback out of that.
Other members of the bar who are assembled here, the district judiciary also represented here. Yes, I think this today's launching of this journal marks, in fact, a very courageous act on the part of the publishers. Kamal, Kamalji and Sanjeev and others who are involved. Because why I say courageous? Because today's world is a world of digital world mostly, and we are going in tremendous pace towards digitization. And in fact, last month also we had this occasion to launch a digital platform, legal platform, which was worked out by the young lawyers of Kashmir and Division. In spite of this reliance on digital mode, yet still we need to have these physical books also. Even though digital means provides easy access, immediate access to our information and reference, but ultimately when all of us boil down, sit down in their respective chambers, whether they're lawyer or judges, we really like to go through the books, physical books, make notes, come back again. Now, of course, as I mentioned, digital mode also is easy access, but yet at the same time, there are certain inherent difficulties. You can't make notes. I mean, you have to have those very highly advanced technology to have that kind of software where you can make notes, keep it, retrieve anytime you want. But still, for large sections of the profession, including ourselves, judges, we still don't have access to that highly developed digital applications. And these physical books remains an important component of the lawyers as well judges. And also, as mentioned by the Learned Advocate General, it's very important that the publishers, and of course, I'm sure that it will be assisted by a very able team of editors and those who are involved in collecting this data to ensure that the various subjects are incorporated, because this legal journal, it will be important for the district judiciary. The district judiciary has to follow the law laid down by the high courts. Obviously, and high courts, and we have to follow the law laid down by the Supreme Court. So it is filtered down. And in the district, because of various reasons, we don't have again easy access to even the legal softwares. In fact, AIR, SCC, which are the most established one, they're very costly for the normal or young lawyer. Okay, I understand the legal also is also being, which is another soft item also by the same publishers. They are also having still it's not very cheap, but I understand that they are making it available at a very reasonable, affordable price. I'm sure this also, this physical form which has been published in the form of Jammu and Kashmir Ladakh Law Journal will also be affordable to the young lawyers. I think we have to keep this in mind, the interest of the young lawyers. I'm sure they will do that. And also, and this journal also will afford opportunity to some of these lawyers to contribute. I'm sure the publication will invite the young lawyers also, because it is, they would understand the function of the court, the required and the relevant laws. Of course, I understand it will be also guided by the seniors who are here also in this endeavor. But it will also offer a platform to the young lawyers to come and do not only, because in the process of editing, as mentioned by the learned AG also, you have to go through the entire journal, assess, analyze it, and by making the short notes, basically cull out the important features of the judgment, the ratio of the cases. These are very important exercise which can be, I understand, will be an opportunity for the young lawyers. So I must congratulate the publishers for bringing out this, and it's very challenging task because, as mentioned by Learned AG also, it is not very easy to bring out these papers. Printing, it involves mechanical process, a lot of many mechanical process, and it is not very cheap also. Purchasing papers, printing, these entails costs which are increasing day by day. In that context, I congratulate them and make it available to all the sections of the legal profession, whether it be lawyers, judges across the UT of J&K Ladakh.
थैंक यू सो मच। ये जो आज हमने एक नया लॉ जनरल मंथली लॉ जनरल लॉन्च किया है, ये ऑनरेबल चीफ जस्टिस श्री एन कोटेश्वर सिंह जी और सभी जस्टिस ऑफ J&K एंड लद्दाख हाई कोर्ट और जो हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड सबऑर्डिनेट जुडिशरी की प्रेजेंस में हमारे वर्दी मेंबर्स ऑफ द बार जो है उनकी प्रेजेंस में, यंग लॉयर्स की हमारी टीम सारी उनकी प्रेजेंस में ये आज लॉन्च किया है। एडवोकेट जनरल साहब भी जो लॉन्च के टाइम पर वहाँ पर, और उन्होंने लॉन्च किया है चीफ जस्टिस और जस्टिस के साथ। जहाँ तक ये लॉ जनरल का ताल्लुक है, मैं आपको बता दूँ हमारी कोशिश ये थी कि जो यंगस्टर है उस तक जो हमारी ये लॉ रिलेटेड कंटेंट है वो बड़े रीजनेबल और कम्पिटिटिव प्राइसेस में। इसी संदर्भ में हमारी कोशिश ये थी कि कंटेंट जो है वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट, हमारी अपनी हाई कोर्ट, सेंट्रल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ट्रिब्यूनल, फाइनेंशियल कमिश्नर, हमने इन सबको जो है बीच में रखा है इनकी जजमेंट्स के ऊपर। आर्टिकल्स फ्रॉम एमिनेंट लॉयर्स रहेंगे इसमें। खास तौर पर एक सेक्शन बनाई गई है बैंड एंड रोक करके, वो यंग लॉयर्स को एक प्रोफेशनल एक्सीलेंस की तरफ काफ़ी ज़्यादा जो है फ़ायदा देगी। और आने वाले समय में मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ये लॉ जनरल जो है हमें एनरिच करने के लिए, हमें जो है लीगल लैंडस्केप जो हमारे यूनियन टेरिटरी का है, हमारे वकील जो है मैं आपको पहले ही बता दूँ जो किसी से कम नहीं है। हमारे जो J&K का और जो जजेस हैं दे आर वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन द कंट्री, और उसी तरीके से जो हमारे एडवोकेट्स हैं दे आर किसी से भी कम नहीं है, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन द कंट्री हैं। और ये हम चाहते हैं कि जो लीगल जो न्यूज़ है, लीगल जो कंटेंट है वो सब उन तक पहुँचे और रीजनेबल प्राइसेस बोले। इसी मंशा के साथ हमें ये